Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce glutamine in your diet. First, understand that glutamine is a common amino acid. We'll explore how to identify foods high in glutamine and discuss effective strategies for lowering your intake. Remember, always consult with a doctor or registered dietitian before making major dietary adjustments to ensure your nutritional needs are met safely and effectively. Next, let's pinpoint the main culprits. Animal proteins like beef, chicken, and fish are typically high in glutamine. You'll also find it in dairy items such as milk, cheese, and yogurt. Even some plant-based options, including beans, lentils, and soy products, contribute to your glutamine intake. Being aware of these sources is the first step toward making informed dietary choices. Now, for practical adjustments. Focus on incorporating more low-glutamine vegetables and fruits into your diet. Opt for grains like white rice or corn over wheat-based products. When it comes to protein, consider alternatives that are naturally lower in glutamine. This strategic approach helps you maintain a balanced diet while effectively managing your glutamine intake without feeling deprived. Finally, remember to support your overall health. Staying well-hydrated and ensuring you get all essential vitamins and minerals is crucial. For tailored advice, consider consulting a registered dietitian who can create a personalized meal plan. Also, for more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Taking these steps will help you successfully manage your dietary glutamine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.